This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix FIFA mobile lagging, slowing, FPS dropping issue on iPhone. So while you are playing FIFA mobile app, you are facing the lagging or FPS dropping issue. Follow these quick solutions to fix this issue. So the first solution is change some graphic setting. Click on the settings icon. And here you will find graphics option. So click on this pencil icon to edit graphic settings. And graphic, select high. And resolution, select standard. Frame rate, select 30 fps. Post effect, select low. Crowd, select high. And UI effect, select medium. Tap on save and close the FIFA mobile app and relaunch it, and then check the issue. And the second solution is again tap on the settings, and here tap edit the preferences. Scroll down, disable display visual feedback. And the next solution is offload the FIFA mobile. Open your iPhone settings, tap on General, iPhone storage, tap on FIFA mobile, tap on offload app. Once the app offloaded, reinstall it from here and then check the issue. And the next solution is free up your iPhone storage. To free up your iPhone storage, you can delete or offload unnecessary apps from your iPhone. Also, you can delete unnecessary photos from your Photos app. And the next solution is enable background app refresh. Open your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on background app refresh. Tap on background app refresh, select Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, hope your FIFA mobile lagging, slowing, FPS dropping issue will be solved. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.